Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these Christmas candy cane gingerbread nails. So to start off, I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. This first color I'm going to use is Light Elegance's Sexy Soiree. This was from their recent winter collection. I will leave a link to the winter swatches in my description box down below. This one is a bright metallic red shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb. Next, I'm going to take Madame Glam's The Inventor Glitter. This is a tan shade that has a shimmer glitter mixed in with it. It's going to be a good gingerbread color, but I really wanted these nails to be kind of sparkly, but not super outgoing sparkly. So all of these shades have some sort of a shimmer to them. So that red had a metallic shimmery finish. This one has a glittery shimmer in it. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my two middle nails. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of both of these shades. Next, for the nail art, I'm going to go in, I'm going to use Madame Glam's white gel paint, which I forgot to take a video of. And then I'm also going to use the glitter from Glitter Heaven Australia. I believe this one is Mystic Dust. It is a nice sugaring white glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and take the white gel paint, and on my pinky, I'm going to create candy cane stripes. I didn't want to do just straight stripes. I'm going to kind of do a curved stripe. I'm going to do all thick stripes, and then in between I'm going to do a thin stripe to give it that candy cane effect. And before I cure the white gel paint, I'm going to go ahead and pour on that white glitter onto my nail. And I did cleanse my nails and remove that tacky layer before I did the nail art. This is an important step, so remember to cleanse your nails before you do any sort of sugaring. Otherwise, the glitter is just going to stick to the whole nail. So cleanse the nail, then go in, do your nail art, and dump the sugaring glitter on top. And it's just going to stick to that wet gel that you have applied. Then I am going to go back in with that Sexy Soiree color, and I'm going to do a French tip on the middle nail. I didn't want to do a perfect French tip. I did kind of a rounded out French tip. You'll see me paint it on. I'm going to do a snowflake right on top, so I just wanted to add that red tip in, but not make it perfect. Moving on to the ring finger, we are going to create a gingerbread house. I'm going to go ahead and paint a triangle at the cuticle. This is going to make the roof, and then I am going to draw icicles coming down from the roof. After the icicles, I go ahead and draw a doorway as well as a doorknob. And then same thing, I'm going to use that sugaring glitter, and I'm going to dump it on and cure that in place. Moving back to the middle nail, I'm going to go ahead and draw on that snowflake. I'm going to use kind of the dot method for a snowflake. So I do a dot in the center where I want the center of the snowflake to be. Then I go ahead and do a dot top and bottom, left to right. You're kind of creating a cross. And then I go ahead and do dots in between to fill it in to almost make a circle of dots. Then what you're going to do is go back in with your brush and have just a teeny bit of the white gel paint, and from the center dot you're going to go out and through the outer dot, and it creates a snowflake. I did go in and add some extra detailing and add little triangles in the center just to give it an extra detail to the snowflake. And again, we're going to dump that sugaring glitter on top and cure it into the nail. And here I have finally done all of the sugaring I'm going to do. So I go ahead and take my big fluffy brush, and after it's all been cured, I go ahead and just dust off that extra glitter, and you'll see that the glitter had only cured into the spots where the white gel paint was. I am going to go back in and add one last detail on the ring finger. I'm going to take that Sexy Soiree and I'm going to add little red stripes along that doorway just to give it a candy cane finish and incorporate that into the design. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. I did decide that I want to go ahead and just seal in that sugaring. I'm not going to leave it as a unfinished sugared nail. If you do want to leave it as an unfinished sugared nail, I would do a top coat before you do your designs. So do your base colors, do your top coat, then you can go in. The Madam Glam gel paints are a no wipe finish, so you can use any of their gel paints, do your design, do your sugaring, and it'll cure just as is, and you can leave it as a sugared finish. But I did want to seal mine in just for extra protection on my nails, make it last longer. So I'm going to do 2 coats of the Super Shiny to seal in that glitter. So here's how my nails came out. I absolutely love them. They are super Christmassy. I've been seeing a lot of people doing this combination of like the red and then the gingerbread tan color together, and then of course with the white for like the snow or candy cane. So I just kind of have been seeing a lot of those designs, so this is what I came up with for that type of design. I absolutely love them. I love this Sexy Soiree color. It is a little bit transparent, and I know that people are saying that this release for the buttercream, the formula is a little bit off, so I think they're normally very opaque, but yes, this one is a little bit transparent, which is why I did the 2 coats of it. But overall, I'm super happy with this Christmas nail design, and everything has a slight shimmer, glitteriness to it without it being super over the top. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my Christmas tutorials. Make sure you're subscribed for more Christmas nail tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.